Hey guys, we're back here on Reed's World and we're doing another lighter trick. You're gonna wanna cut it to get it going, and then when you look into the lighter, you'll see a little point and where the stuff comes out, lighter fluid. So what you're gonna do is put that on it and start blowing so it can come out, and then you're gonna wanna put it on it. And then so what you do is you light it. Turn it. And that'll happen. A little thing will come up. Ugh. Wait.
Get too close. So that was the trick? It's like a blowtorch.
That was cool.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay.